Hi. When working with teachers who are using Google Chrome, we run into an issue over and over again with teachers using their personal account and their school G Suite for Education account in the same browser. And that can be very complicated for teachers because when they sign in, they get confused about which tab has which account. And we often notice that with new teachers to technology that can be very frustrating. So I want to just go over a couple things for you just to help clear things up. Here in the top right hand corner, you can see that I'm signed into my browser. That's this top row. That's where I'm signed into my work account. Let's just call that Alfred Hitchcock today. And then underneath it, I'm signed into my G Suite account. So this is the browser and this is the G Suite account. So this is where I can access all my files and work within Google. When you click on that, you'll see that you have not only you're signed into your work account, we're signed into our personal account, and we're calling that JJ Abrams today. And that can be complicated, especially when you're working with files and you don't keep track of what account you're signed into. I recommend that teachers put different pictures for different accounts. It helps teachers visually know what account they're in. So let's look at that. Here I'm working on a presentation, maybe for my classroom or something I have to do for the school. And I'm signed in up here in the top right hand corner into my work account. And that's great. But when I'm working on a lesson plan, I don't realize that I'm working on this lesson plan in my personal account. And what happens is teachers lose track of those files. They say, oh, it's missing, it's out of my account. But the reality is this one is inside their Google Drive for work, and this one is inside their personal Gmail account. And we can work on how to fix that. What we do is we like to sign into our browser, especially for our work computer. We like to sign into the browser by just clicking up here in the corner where it says sign in with our work account. That syncs all of our bookmarks and our extensions and all the search history that we've had to our work account. That way I can use different computers and all that stuff transfers over. That syncs your browser to your work account. Here on the bottom, we want to click on this and we want to sign out of our personal account. We want to get rid of that. We just want to have our work account. So I come down here and I sign out of all accounts. My recommendation is to just open up a new tab and just go to google.com. Here in the top right, you'll be asked to sign in. You'll notice my syncing is paused from my browser because I've signed out of everything. I can come up here and I click sign in, and here I can remove my personal account. So I'm going to click remove account and get rid of my personal account. Okay? Now I just sign into my work account and operate as normal. Now when I move through Google Drive and I open up all my documents, everything's the same. Here's my very important presentation. And now anytime I open up a new tab, it's always going to be with my work account. And you'll notice now my browser is signed into my work account. So how do I access my personal account? This is where you go up here to the top and you click on your browser icon. Now I have this browser with many different accounts, but this is what we can do. I come down here to the very bottom and I click add. And here I just add my personal Gmail. All right, you can pick an icon for now and then add that. You'll notice it opens up a brand new window, and I can now sign in as a Chrome user. Google wants me to link the data from my personal account to my browser, and that's fine. Again, this is where your extensions cross over and all of your bookmarking and search history can be connected. Whatever I'm doing on this computer, I will have access to on another computer. You'll notice up here on the right, my browser is connected to the same account as my G Suite account. So now I have two windows open. If I close this JJ Abrams account, my personal account, I can be at work using this computer and just be doing at work. And then I can say, oh, I just need to check my personal email very quickly. I go here to the top browser icon, come down, click on my personal Gmail, and now I can go into my personal Gmail. Having that two windows keeps things very clean. Again, I can close this and I can go back to work and I can come back in here and open this up. I can do the same thing for my work. I can close my work, be working in my personal email, then go back up here and then open up my work. I hope that helps.